In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail search operators to find emails. If you've ever spent way too long scrolling through your inbox trying to track down a single message, this is going to make your life much easier. Gmail has a powerful search feature built right in, and by using search operators, you can narrow things down quickly and find exactly what you're looking for. First, open Gmail in your browser and look right at the top of the page. You'll see the search bar stretching across the top of your inbox. This is where everything starts. Go ahead and click on that search bar. Once you click, your cursor will appear there, and you're ready to start typing. Now, at its simplest, you can just type in anything you remember about the email you want to find. This could be a word from the subject line, the name of the person who sent it, or even a phrase that was in the body of the message. For example, if you're trying to find a receipt, you might type the word receipt, or the name of the store. If you're looking for an email from your manager, you can type their name or their email address. But this is where search operators come in and make things a lot more precise. A search operator is just a special word or symbol you add to your search to tell Gmail exactly what to look for. For instance, you can type from, followed by an email address or a name to show emails from a specific person. You can use to find emails you sent to someone. If you remember a word that was in the subject line, you can type subject, and then that word to focus only on subjects. You can also combine operators with regular keywords to really narrow things down. For example, you might type from marketing subject report to find all reports sent from your marketing team. If you're not sure of the exact phrase, just include the main words you remember, and Gmail will search for emails that include them. As you type, Gmail might suggest common searches, and you can click those if they match what you need. When you're ready, press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon at the right side of the search bar. Your inbox view will update and show only the emails that match your search. That's it. By clicking on the search bar and typing in what you want to find, along with simple Gmail search operators, you can quickly zero in on the exact emails you need, instead of scrolling through